Hello. Uh, Now, because everybody is using solar panels, I want to present you a solar panel CRM, which will be in multiple languages and will be for companies which are providing services and are installing solar panels. Here are customers, maintenance, dashboard with a profile, and also you can see here customers. You can add new customer. You can add the type of the panel, the numbers, producers, and also you can have status for customers. Um, for maintenance, you can have an invoice if you have done services for your customer, and also you can edit or add something like that. If you like this CRM, you can contact me on my website allenitservices.com. Thank you very much, and see you.